Hello. Simulations are run to generate results and outputs that help you to assess and improve the likely performance of a building. In this tutorial, I will run a simulation and then show you how to select and view a variety of simulation outputs in the Design Builder interface. I will show you how to select data for analysis from display options and the info panel. I will introduce some of the main results display options, including graphs and grids. And finally, I will show you how our data visualization outputs can be used to generate powerful images of results color rendered onto model surfaces and openings. You can either view simulation results in the Design Builder interface.
You can access the full tutorial from Design Builder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Design Builder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Design Builder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.